Trust is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. When trust is broken, it can be difficult to rebuild. One of the most common ways trust is violated is through lying and deceit. While it's impossible to guarantee that your partner will always be completely honest, there are some signs that might indicate they are being untruthful. Verbal clues. Inconsistencies. If your partner's stories don't align or they contradict themselves, it could be a sign of dishonesty. Evasiveness. If they seem hesitant to answer questions or avoid giving direct answers, it might be because they are hiding something. Defensiveness. If they become overly defensive or angry when questioned, it could be a sign that they're feeling guilty about something. Excessive detail. Sometimes people who are lying will provide too much detail in an attempt to convince you of their story. Behavioral clues. Avoidance. If your partner starts avoiding you or spending less time with you, it could be a sign that they're hiding something. Increased privacy. If they suddenly become more secretive about their phone, computer, or social media accounts, it might be because they're trying to keep something hidden. Body language. Pay attention to your partner's body language. If they're avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, or crossing their arms, it could be a sign that they're feeling guilty or uncomfortable. Changed habits. If your partner's habits suddenly change, such as where they go or who they spend time with, it could be a sign that they're involved in something they don't want you to know about. What to do if you suspect your partner is lying? If you suspect your partner is lying, it's important to approach the situation calmly and carefully. Here are some tips. Talk to them privately. Choose a time and place where you can have an honest conversation without interruptions. Express your concerns. Explain why you feel they might be lying, but be specific and avoid making accusations. Listen to their response. Give them a chance to explain themselves. If they're being honest, they'll be willing to talk openly about the situation. Trust your instincts. If your gut tells you something is wrong, don't ignore it. Remember, if your partner is consistently lying or being deceitful, it's important to address the issue. A relationship built on dishonesty is unlikely to be a healthy or fulfilling one.